In this video, I'll be showing you how to separate video layer and audio layer in CapCut PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. So as you can see, you just want to open up your project. You can open up an existing project or a new one or anything like that. And all you want to do is go to the import tab and find the video file that you want. So let's say in my instance, it's this one right here. And as you can see, it has the video, but then it also has the audio right there too. So what I want to go ahead and do is if I want to separate it, all I got to do is go ahead and right click. So I'm just going to right click the clip right now. And I'm going to see a lot of different things, but I'm going to see one option which says separate audio right here, but I'm also going to see extract audio. And because I'm on the free version, you only have one use per month that you can use. But if you have the paid version of CapCut, you can just do this continuously. So all I want to do is press extract audio right here. And now, as you can see, the audio is now extracted and completely separate. So I can move this if I want to, keep the audio here or anything like that. And yeah, it's as simple as that.